Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Looking to make your Notion workspace more connected and efficient? In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to link directly to a subpage in Notion. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create quick shortcuts between your pages, making it easier to navigate complex setups or share important sections with teammates and collaborators. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to locate the subpage you'd like to link to. In Notion, every main page can have multiple nested subpages, almost like folders inside folders. If you're not sure what a subpage is, think of it as a smaller section. Maybe your meeting notes tucked inside the bigger project's workspace. When you've found the specific subpage, go ahead and give it a click to open it up. This makes sure you're grabbing the right link and also allows Notion to load all the current content for you. Now that you're inside the subpage, you'll need to copy its URL. You can do this by heading up to the address bar at the top of your browser and simply selecting the entire link, then pressing Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. This step gives you a direct address to the subpage, almost like writing down a home address so someone can find it easily later on. Once you've got that link copied, go to the page where you want the link to appear. For example, maybe you're creating a dashboard and want to add shortcuts to all your most used resources. Navigate to this page and click into the body, anywhere you want the subpage link to show up. Now, here comes the clever part. In Notion, when you want to mention another page instead of creating a standard hyperlink, you'll use something called a mention. Just start typing a / and then the word mention. It'll look like this, a mention. You should see the mention command pop up in Notion's command menu. After you select the mention command, simply paste the URL link you copied earlier. That's right, Ctrl+V or Command+V will drop in the copied subpage link. Notion will work a little magic behind the scenes, and in a moment, you'll see a preview or prompt to select the actual subpage you're referencing. Go ahead and click on the subpage name once it appears. This creates what's known as a linked mention, essentially a smart shortcut right inside your workspace. Anyone who views this page can click the link and jump straight over to the subpage you picked out. Super useful if you're organizing big projects or want to make your notes easy to cross-reference. And there you go! That's all it takes to link to a subpage in Notion. It's a short series of steps, but each one ensures that the right content is just a click away, helping you and your team stay focused and organized. Don't worry if something doesn't look quite right at first. Sometimes Notion takes a second to catch up, or you might need to refresh the page. If you ever make a mistake, you can always remove or update the link later. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if there's a Notion trick you want to learn next, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on guides like this. Your support helps me keep making helpful content for Notion users like you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.